Milton Hunt over here. If you ever reach out and wondering how do you get a link so that way you can send easily to the client to ask for Google reviews. Or it'll be nice if you say direct link, you can text the families directly leave a review. Or it'll be nice if you can put it in your email signature, you can put it in on your website so people can just click on it and leave you a Google review. And Google made that outrageously simple for all of you. Google does have a direct link, and let me show you how to get it. It's super simple. So what you do is you just log into google.com/business. Once you're on the home page, you just scroll down. It's over here, get more reviews. So you click on this share review form, and you click on share via email. And what Google does is then it will give you a link. It's a direct link. So let me show you what this link does then. So what you do is just go ahead. This is what the families will see. Okay, so you can see it directly, right? If somebody that you send this link to, or it's embedded on your website, email signature, you're texting the families that direct link, then it sends them directly to your Google review page, and that's where they leave you reviews. It's ultra simple. So what I would encourage you is to grab that link and start using it, leveraging it, right? And what I would do if I were you is make sure it's you're sending that link out via email, right? If you're comfortable in texting, right, especially for preneed families, email, texting will be fine. I would embed it on your website so that way whenever somebody goes on your website, there's a place easily, if you don't have one yet, easily you can say, hey, leave us a review. And I would also put it in your email signature. Also, right, those are probably the places I would embed them. But I'm happy that many of you are starting to get aware about you got to start increasing your Google reviews. And Google made it outrageously simple is that link. Make sure you're leveraging that link then.